finished plaiting my hair. I'm gonna go and make some breakfast and then finish getting ready for the gym. And I'm at work tonight, so I'm gonna take you along with me, show you what I eat, try and get all my calories in before I go to work, so I won't get until late. And that's breakfast. Just 2 Weetabix and about 200ml of chocolate soya milk, and I've just put some coconut over the top. So I got ready for the gym and then realised my phone's on 50%. I can't go to the gym when my phone's on 50%, so I need to wait for it to charge. I'm not going with my hair in a bandana, I just need it out my face. What do you think? Does it make me look even younger? I'm 20-year-old, I swear.
Everybody's saying that I lost my mind, but I ain't never ever given up this time. 'Cause everybody knows that I've been on the grind, but I ain't never ever given up this time. Up this time. Up this time. Up, 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 I've never ever given up this time. Never given up this time. Everybody's saying that I lost my mind, but I ain't never ever given up this time. 'Cause everybody knows that I've been on the grind, but I ain't never ever given up this time. I've never ever given up this time. Never given up this time.
Hi, I'm just in from the gym. I've just made a bagel just to eat while I'm cooking my dinner. I'm going to have some crusty rolls with the Heinz Creations veg chili beans. Just some of them. I'm going to do that with some lettuce and cheese, and that'll do me for my post-workout. And that's dinner. I'm just going to add some cheese onto it just to bulk it up a little bit. And that's me done. I bought some new flex leggings from Gymshark. I'm going to try them on and I'm going to show you. I got these ones in a size extra small. I think I've got the purple ones. Purple mild soft lilac. Got them in extra small. The ones I have already are in size small, but they are a bit long. So I'm hoping these ones fit a bit better. I'll show you when I go. My next meal, I'm just going to make some wraps. So I've got my tortilla wraps, I've got lettuce, cheese and sweet chilli sauce, I've got my corn chicken, and I'll show you me making them now. And that's them done. Just 2 easy corn chicken wraps. I will put the macros on the screen, and these are just little cocktail sticks that I put in them to keep them closed. So I just spent 10 minutes trying to turn on my blender and it wasn't plugged in at the wall. Well done, Adrian, well done. But I made the infamous chocolate protein smoothie. I did use the My Protein whey protein, so I'll link that in the description box below along with my discount code, and I will put the macros on the screen for you. Hey, so it is the next day. I did get in from work pretty late last night, so I didn't really want to record. I didn't really eat much. I just had a yogurt and then went straight to bed because I got in about 11:30. So yeah, that was all I had to eat yesterday. It came to about 1,400 calories, which isn't bad, it's quite alright for me. So today I've just got ready for the gym again and doing it all over again. I'm going to show you what I'm wearing. I'm wearing the new leggings I got yesterday, so I'll show you that. These are the leggings I got yesterday. I did already show you. I do also have the Gymshark sports bra on. This sports bra is really good because this is quite thick band, so it holds you in, and then I've just got a Nike strappy top on. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments below and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.